So I've got a 1998 RGV 250. I'm going to give it a clean up and get it going again. This one's been given to me to help fix up from a YouTuber follower. So I'm just doing the first video, how it looks now. So that rear swing arm, I'll get a clean up. The frame here will have to get probably taken off and painted. It's got to take off all the loom, all the wiring, and pull it back. Shows a bit of build up of two-stroke oil and dirt and chain oil. The shocker's a bit rusty. That's pretty clean though in a few spots. The exhaust, I'll give that a wash out and paint. The front forks get fixed up by hoeys. Get the discs off so they can get cleaned up and put new tyres on. I think the forks might have a bit of a leak in it. That was a complete bike, but it's been half pulled apart already. I was going to give it a carby clean, make sure everything works, see what's wrong with it. If nothing's wrong with it, then start cleaning it up. And get a little patch under there. I wonder where that's coming from. Give it a clean down the degreaser, so it's been dropped. Pretty good. Bearing feels nice. Carbies are nice and snappy, but there's no power on it to try the power valves. It's green around the water pump. Now first I'm going to cover the carbies up, make sure no water can get in anywhere, and then give it a degrease and a clean. Also got some spares here to go through, so got sprockets and chains, and your throttle grips and ends, all the nuts and bolts that come with it, and some of the lights and speedos. So it's just going through all what we've got. And new tyres. So at the moment I've had to put all my bikes in the corner. So I've got the RM465, the YZ80s, the KTM 380, the YZ125 at the back, and then the other RGV 250, and then the 98 model. So keep giving updates as I go through it. Thanks for watching again.